Alright. We have here Miko and Noodles. Don't make fun of me. Are you gonna fight him, Noodles? Are you gonna fight him? This is Noodles. We've had her since she was a little kitty, way back when she was skinny and white. She had a black tail, and she was very nice. Now she's very mean. No, Miko! This is Miko! He's smaller than Noodles, and I actually don't know how old he is. It's rumored that he doesn't like cameras. Hey, Noodles. Oh, God. Hi. Her. Oh, she wants the string. Oh! Look at you. You're actually being nice to me. Hello, Miko. Ah! Hello, Miko. Hi. Meow. Oh! Oh, she's adorable. What about you? Do you not like cameras? No? Gosh, you guys are no fun. Are you gonna be nice to me, Noodles? Hmm? They're adorable! Meow. Hello. Hi, Miko. Good kitty. Alright. Let's wrap this up. Miko and Noodles. They're so precious. Look, you look like a little tiger. Roar.